Hi, my name is Ali, and I found out about real estate through a management company, and they highly recommended it, and I'm so glad that they did. I was moving locally within New York, and the whole process from start to finish was really seamless and really efficient. I was also really shocked by how affordable the quote was, not to mention how grateful and thankful I am for the agent who was taking care of the process with me from start to finish, since I had to change the inventory a few times, but they were really quick to update it and made sure that everything was fine. The movers came pretty quickly as well, and they made sure that none of my items were